Alright, well, I didn't like the way that drain plug was working, that 3/4 by 16 drain plug. So I'm running a pipe tap in here, 1/2 inch, and I'm going to basically put a extension tube on here as a well, so that any solids in there can settle down in there. I'll put a little magnet in the bottom cap, so it'll stick down about that much, about 3 inches down. I'll put a cap on it, and that'll absolutely clear. Nothing's going to hit it, and that'll be that. So here we can see basically, nice thing about a pipe thread is it's tapered and it self-tightens. It tightens up, it increasingly tightens, gets larger as you go in. So I'll probably go with this, which will increase the surface area of the gear case, PTU, and it'll be easy enough to get onto. Or I could just go with a drain plug. So but at any rate, you don't want to have a drain plug on here that has external head on it. It's got to be all internal. So that's where a pipe plug comes in, or even a pipette with a cap. Alright, that's it for now. Phone keeps turning on to sleep mode. I don't know why. It's a Samsung Ultra 22, I believe. It's really strange. Keeps going into sleep mode ever since its latest update. So hopefully this is taking, and hopefully it didn't convert over to black and white like it's looking like here. So 1/2 inch pipe tap is highly recommended. Pipe thread plug or a pipette 3 inch with a cap would be even better. With a little magnet on the end of the cap would be ideal. So, alright, CT out. Thanks for your interest.